Best Guide to Build a Multi-Vendor Marketplace. In this video, we'll explore the innovative concept of a multi-vendor marketplace, where diverse sellers offer products and services on a single platform to meet global consumer needs. What is multi-vendor marketplace? Multi-vendor marketplace enables vendors to have exclusive storefronts, managing various activities, from product addition to delivery. The marketplace owner earns a commission on every product sale, a revenue generation model. Types of multi-vendor marketplace business. There are two types of multi-vendor marketplace business. B2B multi-vendor marketplace. B2C multi-vendor marketplace. Buyer's Viewpoint multi-vendor website. 1. User-friendly interface. 2. Product catalog. 3. Ratings and reviews. Vendor's Viewpoint multi-vendor website. 1. Storefront management. 2. Order processing. 3. Sales analytics. Owner's Viewpoint multi-vendor website. 1. Admin dashboard. 2. Marketing and promotions. 3. Reporting and analytics. How to build a multi-vendor marketplace website. Platform selection. Choose a reliable multi-vendor marketplace platform that suits your business needs, offering essential features and scalability. Design and branding. Customize the website's appearance and branding to establish a unique and visually appealing identity that resonates with your target audience. Vendor onboarding and product setup. Implement a smooth onboarding process for vendors, ensuring their credentials and reliability. Set up the product catalog with clear categories and attributes. Payment integration and order management. Integrate secure payment gateways to enable seamless transactions between buyers and vendors. Develop a robust order management system. Testing and launch. Thoroughly test the website's functionality, user experience, and security. Once everything is optimized, launch the multi-vendor marketplace and promote it to. How can Webnexs help you build multi-vendor marketplace website? Webnexs is a top multi-vendor marketplace website creation company that offers reliable service, quick launch like Amazon, and essential features with technical support for your platform. If you have any questions regarding starting an online multi-vendor marketplace website, feel free to contact us. Check out the description. Thanks for watching. Need more about e-commerce, headless e-commerce, multi-vendor marketplace? Just subscribe our channel.